Holy Mary Business School, AICTE approved. India's 34th ranked best business school, ranking 2nd in Hyderabad, ranking 14th top business school in South India. HBS under the leadership of Management Guru Dev. Join HBS, start working after 2nd semester. Generating skilled managers. Global Gurus at HBS. Now presenting Business Skill Series.
Everyone has a dream. For winners, the dreams are different. Life is all about success, happiness, fame, wealth, power. But all this with only one decision. As one decision can change your destiny. The decision is here. Open the door to the world, to future, to Holy Mary Business School.
Hiring management students around the world keep asking me one question: what is the objective behind this MBA program? Is it about marketing? Is it about HR? Is it about international business or finance? All I say is MBA program is all about leadership. That's the reason in my PGDM program I provide the best life skills training. I provide 12 to 15 months of experience with the corporate world. I provide emerging technologies training like SAP and ERP. Then even I provide the kind of fine-tuned personality is the goal of this program. So end of the day, friends, what I feel is I do not manufacture MBA freshers. What I do is I generate young managers for the corporate world. I generate leaders for the next generation. This is what Holy Mary PGDM is all about.
Hyderabad is a place where the dreams come true. Hyderabad's strong corporate presence, cosmopolitan outlook, and the large amount of career opportunities that exist here makes the city an ideal choice for management education of global standards. The city stands second in the field of information technology. Thanks to the rapid industrial economic growth, Hyderabad now offers career opportunities in areas of IT, BPO, management, finance and marketing. For future managers who are in the pursuit of ambitions, this is the place to be. Welcome to Hyderabad, the most happening city of the world. Many business schools claim to be different. Holy Mary Business School really is. It is an institution offering the best internationally recognized professional management education with constantly evolving curriculum and latest teaching methodologies. With 6 campuses, 4,500 students, an NBA accredited A+ category business school with a sprawling 100 acres campus based out of Hyderabad.
The benefits of doing an MBA provides you more than just a hike in salary, but it provides you innumerable a number of opportunities in the corporate world. A management degree will definitely open up doors to you, to the corporate world, and it will open doors to a lot of sectors which cannot be chosen without an MBA degree. So a management degree is very much useful for everybody to become successful in life. Here at HBS, we focus on every student to become successful, and we do perform gap analysis on each and every student and ensure that all the problems are being rectified before they get into the corporate sector. So I would suggest every student to choose HBS to pursue their future MBAs and become successful.
Holy Mary has many distinguished personalities on its board of governors with national and international experience in teaching and industry. And the faculty of HBS is from some of the most reputed national and international universities. HBS offers its own AICTE approved PGDM program equivalent to MBA according to the Government of India. The specializations offered by Holy Mary include marketing, finance, human resources, IT and international business.
Hi, myself Sangeeta from PGDM. The best part about HBS is the training given on the latest technologies like Six Sigma, ERP, which helps me a lot for my placement. As I am from technical background, so my dream is to settle down in technical field, and I am so happy that I chosen HBS.
Holy Mary offers India's first PGDM program with 10 innovations. The Diploma in Life Skills, specialized world-class life skills diploma program is run parallel to the PGDM on every day in our PD labs for 500 hours and is mandatory for every student to attend. Graduate Traineeship Program. In this program, a student can start working after the second semester in top corporates. Students get 15 months of work experience and also earn a decent stipend from the organization. And there are no more freshers when they graduate.
Hi, my name is Karthik, second year student in HBS. As a part of industry trip, we were all taken to the Coca-Cola company industries, where we had practically seen their work culture. This has helped me a lot in corporate dynamics and gave me good exposure and experience.
Intensive English language program. There is an intensive program where students standing at any level of communication can utilize this training and improve their levels of communication and be rest assured for a best language abilities in corporate world. With our extensive English labs with 100 hours guaranteed English language speaking module.
I got to learn not merely English, but the entire process of communication, which includes body language, expression, thought process and personality. My learning experiences have given me a better understanding to know about my strength and weakness, and it has helped me a lot to overcome all the challenging situations. And I've gained a lot of confidence and I've lost the fear that was within me. And now I've become a very good speaker, and the credit goes to all my mentors and faculty.
Six Sigma and ERP courses are offered to all the students along with the curriculum, so as to ensure a smoother transition into the corporate world with an advanced skill set.
Hi, myself Raghavendra, Academic Coordinator. Business development in a business school is a new role and quite an niche. Most of the organizations don't know why do we advertise, but we advertise with a purpose here.
This Business Institute is an attempt to enrich professional dialogue and networking opportunities within the institute. It's a great job and we meet some fantastic students who want to be successful, and we see some excellent benefit working with them.
We give special focus on entrepreneurship development to hone the skills of those students who are willing to become future entrepreneurs. To awaken the entrepreneur within is a globally renowned program conducted by our CEO, Mr. Dave, for all students. Management Development Program. Along with the GTP, when the student is training for the corporate right from day one, we have a specialized 100-hour training on a variety of subjects like marketing, information systems, healthcare management, international business, retail management, entrepreneurship, media management, training and development, HR recruitment, investment banking and sales, so that it adds value to their experience with corporates.
Being a management graduate, it's very important to be confident enough, knowledge on companies' requirements and living up to their expectations, and a professional approach in dealing with colleagues, customers, improve performance. And being flexible, adaptable to work cultures can actually do wonders in career. So companies welcome these kind of people, fine-tuned personalities into their companies because they understand customers.
Placements. HBS Corporate Relation Group practices a 3-tier placement, the CRG team. The CRG team works on placing the students as per their skills. The CRG teams work closely with each student from the start to identify their core skills and suitable industries and roles for them. This helps them connect to the companies that they aspire to work with. 100% placements assistance is given to the students in career planning and securing responsible positions in various organizations. The CRG team works on placing the students directly from the campus. To achieve this, we emphasize on intense training for the students. To name a few, negotiation skills, leadership skills, team building, communication skills and lots more, which help the Holy Marians stand ahead of the regular PGDM lot.
I am a corporate relations head over here. I handle the placements vertical of the students completely. It gives me an amazing experience and a fantastic feeling to place the people in a different kinds of corporates. That's the kind of an expertise I have for the last 19 years. Here, my job is to find the right job for the right student and the right employee for the right career. So, we run a program called as a graduate traineeship program, which is unique of its kind in India, where we train the job skills